Okay. For you guys, including you, Tamian. When on the pathway, I need some information.
Guys, as you can see, I'm very small. I'm 5'4", barely. And Perry is like 6'2".
Oh, you know, like Taman.
Like Taman, but it was.
And that's not what I want to say, though. That's not what I want to say.
It's not really have the buzz. They're cute, but they're grown.
Oh, okay. But by the way, you said I'm more of like a brother or a best friend.
Yeah, best friend type.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I mean, guys, I want you to so what kind of one
Roshane, what do you have to say? I smash Roshane. Roshane, what do you have to say?
Oh yeah, then let's watch the show. Then let's watch y'all.
Did you guys enjoy the video?
Yes, we did. It
Mr.
was kind of festive.
I hated it. It was so awful. Worst production guy ever. Worst channel I've ever been on. Don't love it at all.
Let the room be. No one open up the room. Unless your room and you know it's this is the pre-Ocho vlog. They're planning on it. Exactly. But you know it's what though? Because if we want to do it, there is only one person know that not makes sense. You know the man them are? You know the man? I know, I mean like within our household. The lighting is so, this is crazy.
Hey guys, it's Sari. Please go on YouTube and search for me and Brother Sister video at Brother and Sari. Subscribe.
This way copyright
Hush beers.
I wouldn't want to see her legs. Can you imagine her legs? I promise you.
What kind of seats?
Sad, dude.
We're out here and these kids don't want to help me in my videos, so I'm just vlogging right now. Yeah, but wait, what am I going to ask the people in Girland?
Whenever I tell you to ask already.
Yeah, let me see my teeth.
Sing don't pause this in.
9. Okay, no. T. Okay, so.
You have to put the mic to him now so them can hear.
So, ship or dip?
Which one you would have been in a relationship with and which one you would have?
Who I'm so while ago, which one you'd have been in a relationship with? You'd have been in a relationship or not dip?
Sure, more the relationship time. Yeah, the deep time.
For why?
Can you look better?
Rask. Sorry.
Yo, no.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yo, I love you. 5 minutes. No,
You like me?
Yeah, you know, Bamba trouble. This is the same vlog.
So what's the vlog about?
I don't know. Jump in the
Yo, Josh! The man said would I give you the key from Kingston.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket
Yeah, let's
ship.
put on our seatbelts.
Outside.
Little line,
Seatbelt.
all aboard. Get ready to explore. Are you choking on my thing? That's crazy. We're in Ocho Rios.
She bought bread for $60?
Yo, the bread, this slice of bread right here, so cost $60. It even fresh bread. This is like.
No, we're hold up from my.
And bread is in the car.
Yo, Tanchin, you spent $120 on 2 slices of bread. How do you feel?
Amazing.
That's stupid. Eat the bread. Eat the $60 bread.
Yo.
In a curfew. On Netflix. Why do y'all love me so? I don't know. I don't know. Huh?
You remember?
Till it's on. Yeah, guys, I'm in my villa right now by myself, just chilling. I came here alone, so I
Edit this out or not? I don't know. I mean, edit it. You better edit this out, you know. I'm so serious. I'm going to cuss you. Can leave certain parts in, but not this part. You want to start over and shut up?
Yo, don't try that thing on you, boy. Just jump in.
At this moment in time, it is Friday and I'm 50 subs away from 10,000. Woo, yeah! Woo! But there's a bump on my chin. What the fuck?
Don't show them that.
Nah, them off a seat, dog. What are you talking about? Oh my god, it's so delicious.
That's disgusting.
Everybody else?
I don't say triplets.
Exactly.
That's one, that's two. Waiting for the rest of them. Huh? You see the last one? Last triplet here. Okay, ready?
Can you please close the door?
So much of that. It's your boy Singh Zima out here with another banger Snapchat video, no cap.
And him rum belly, watch out.
What is that?
One to the only for abs, what did I do?
This is what life is about, Mally Bounce. We're enjoying the beach.
Outside.
Almost at 10k subs, I'm like 40 away, dog. Subscribe, no joke. Let me see a double chin. See a best double chin.
I'm currently stripping it up. Yo. Alright, I'm going out in the water. Alright, can you wait on me?
She said wait on her.
Yes, T. I mean
Wait.
A. I'm waiting on you. Are you sober? Already? Alright, sing. I like
What did you expect? Oh yeah. Go, run.
your mama.
Wait.
I snap me.
Mojo, hello, blow, you feel like that? Go on, run in the water now. Run in the... David, my God. Yo, I don't think people can tell the difference. Gonna have on the shades and everything.
Sorry.
If it's not 6, it's trips. No joke.
No joke.
Yeah. So... Outside. Here, dog, and take it from here.
Yeah.
Run now. Ready?
So you're going to post a vlog?
Yeah, celebrating my 10,000 subscribers.
10,000.
My boy Mally Bones. What's the pre? River pre, no joke. Coronavirus. No shit.
Wash your bowl when you're done, cuz when I'm
You started? And that you hit 10k.
Oh yeah. Now one more chips first. Guys, this dip is for 10k subscribers.
So, you know, come over here, son.
No,
talk to him separate. You see me, I see a message in, but
yes, sir. Yes, sir. No cap.
social distance.
Social distance where? Straight your waist in the...
We all get tested, bro.
More than what?
Oh shit.
Them two, you know good again.
I'm gonna drink anyway.
Honey. Bunny. Wrong. You said bunny. Oh my god, I thought you said bunny.
Yeah.
Right, are you for drinking?
My right. Drink. Chug. Oh! Damn, what the whoa! Yo!
Yo, that's go on below over there.
I'm not even playing the dog.
Well, no, say alright, dog. No, you're you can't make the drinks. Come on. And I use it some for.
Exactly.
I subscribe first.
Shut up. I watch the ads.
We all watch the ads.
Watch the ads, guys.
Alright, so like, once a year, whether directly or indirectly, you help me and the trips reach to 105K. I'm at 10K. Can I get a? Big up everybody who's in Ocho right now. Big up for the mother and the auntie, you know the usual.
Bars.
So yo, cheers. Trips. If it's not 6, it's trips now.
Size big like oh. Oh no, look what happened, bro. The thing. The thing broke in it.
There's some broke.
See?
No, get me a knife. Get me a knife.
OG opening.
Get me a knife.
Wow.
I do the shit.
OG opening. Come here, one down. Wow, go on. Anyways. Just was an idea for me.
No, where's that knife?
Free. Look at the weed.
So much, yo, a John, where's the knife like that?
Oh. Come here, one down. What go on?
Part two, what?
It's not spray. Not spray. It's a real fucking wine, dog. It's not spray, bro.
Reporting live.
Live in Singh station, no joke.
No joke.
Oh yo, big up Manny Bones because he filmed like my most popular video. Big up man every time. Big up Ajani, he's in like half my videos. Big up Trips, they're part of my most popular video. Big up everybody for subscribing. Yeah dog, I don't.